V11 Pro, Vivo's new top-of-the-line V series phone, and this time it's something super interesting. Let's unbox it, take a quick look, and also give 4 away in this video. Hey guys, Ash here from C4E Tech, hard to add the giveaways, links in the description below, and while you're down there, hit that bell icon, turn on notifications. Let's now get started. The Vivo V11 Pro comes in a fairly regular white box, and we have some of the highlights mentioned to the back. Removing the plastic and opening up the box, first up we have a SIM ejector tool, some documentation. If you still for some reason care about SAR values, here you go. We then have a soft case, and finally the V11 Pro. Slipping the plastic cover off, it looks quite good, especially this blue variant. The clear case fits nice and snug, should help it keep free of smudges. Coming back to the box contents, there's the travel adapter, 18 watts. Vivo calls this dual engine fast charging. There's also a pair of EarPods-esque earphones. And finally a micro USB cable. I really wish it was Type-C. Now first things first, the phone comes with an in-display fingerprint scanner. Now this is a first on a phone in the under 30k segment. Vivo says this is a 4th gen in-display scanner, so it should be faster, and in my time with it, it does feel faster. In fact, I'd say it's almost as fast as a regular fingerprint scanner now. Now the reason I started here is because this is one of the reasons why Vivo's managed to keep the screen to body ratio high. Vivo claims 91.27%, and that is nuts. Now another reason why the screen to body ratio is this high is because of that notch. Now it's a tiny notch right at the center, not unlike Oppo's water drop style. I really don't mind it. Another thing I really don't mind, in fact something I really like, is the fact that Vivo's gone with a Super AMOLED panel here. Now for an in-display fingerprint scanner to work, you need to use an AMOLED panel today, and this is an excellent panel. 6.41 inches, 19.5 by 9 aspect ratio. The colors pop, viewing angles are great. Now the back, here we have a nice little dual tone finish. It's dark up top where you find the dual cameras, LED flash and Vivo branding. It's a lighter shade of blue that shimmers to the bottom. It is plastic, but it is nice, and it also means that Vivo's got the weight of this phone down to a very manageable 155 grams. For a phone with this size of a display, it feels quite ergonomic. Other placements include the secondary mic up top, a hybrid tray to the left, the power and volume keys to the right, and the micro USB port along with the primary microphone, speaker, and the headphone jack. They can be found at the bottom. Now again, given all the advancements, I really wish they'd use Type-C instead. Now enough about the looks, because the V11 Pro is not just about that. Vivo's got strong internals in this one. The V11 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 660 chip. Now this is a stellar upper mid-range chip, a little above the P60 on the pecking order. It's great with day-to-day tasks. It's also power efficient. The Adreno GPU inside is good enough to power almost anything thrown at it. All of this is backed up by a 3400 mAh battery that comes with what Vivo calls dual engine fast charging. Vivo claims that they are using 9 different safeguarding features to make sure this battery charges fast but remains safe. Now on the software side of things, we've got FunTouch OS 4.5 built on top of Android 8.1 Oreo. FunTouch OS is very inspired by Apple's iOS. It includes stuff like a control center. There's going to be a learning curve for anyone coming from other Android skins, but it is feature packed. Right from theming to different navigation options, Vivo's included a ton of goodies here. There's face unlock as well. There's an IR scanner included right up top that's not visible to the naked eye but gets captured by the camera. This helps increase accuracy and hence offer better security with face unlock even under low light. The fingerprint scanner, as we've already seen, is quite effective too. Now all that said, the biggest changes, Vivo has always reserved it for the camera app. It's again very iOS inspired, but Vivo's packed in a lot of options. Swipe to change modes, there's live photos, bokeh modes, variable aperture and so on. There's also a lot of AI functionality including scene detection, face shaping for selfies and so on. Now the hardware itself is quite impressive too. We've got a 25 megapixel selfie camera, and to the back a 12 megapixel primary sensor with dual pixel autofocus, 1.28 micron sized pixels, and a f1.8 lens coupled with a 5 megapixel depth sensor. Now the samples that you're seeing were shot with these cameras. How do you think they fared? Let us know in the comments below. This phone's priced at $25,990, Snapdragon 660, an in-display fingerprint scanner, that almost all-screen display. It definitely seems like a great offering, especially for a phone that also sells offline. So how does offline make a difference? Now you might have a few questions about that, and I'm working on a video just for that, and that will be dropping soon, so stay tuned, stay subscribed for that. And once we get the official price confirmation, I'll pin that in a comment or add it to the description below, so do check that space. And now it is time I bid. Okay, not gonna bid you adieu because that's the giveaway. As always, there'll be a link in the description. Use that. Make sure you subscribe to C4E Tech, and that's it. It's that simple. There are additional options to increase your chances of winning, but those are optional and self-explanatory. Now, since this is an India-only giveaway, I'm working with Vivo on it, so it's India only, and it runs from today to the 5th of October. The winner will be announced via YouTube, community post, and Twitter. If you missed both, you can use the same link you used to enter that can be found in the description to check out who the winners are. And by the way, the winners will be announced on the 7th of October. You can ask me a million times what's happening with the giveaway before that. I'm not going to be responding. Don't take it as rude. A lot of people, even after I mention it multiple times, keep asking me what about the giveaway. I wouldn't be able to respond to everybody, but guys, note it down. 7th of October is when the winners would be announced. So good luck. And with that, we now get to the end of this video, and it is time I bid you adieu. Hated it, loved it. Also, please leave a comment. Let me know if you want to see more giveaways on C4E Tech. By the way, don't forget to subscribe, and for more, turn on notifications by clicking that bell icon. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4E Tech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye now.